How to open or create new account on Temu. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can create a new account on Temu. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now head over to temu.com and press enter. On this website, you want to click on the profile icon. Once you click on this, the login portal will appear. Now, normally you can directly sign up using your Google account, Facebook account, Apple account, or X account. You can also sign up using your phone number or email address. For that, go ahead and enter your phone number or email address on this box. Once you enter this, click on the continue option. If no account has been created from the entered phone number or email address, you will be prompted to create a new password. Once you have created your password, click on the register option. As soon as you do that, your new account of Temu will be successfully created, and now you can start shopping using Temu. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.